Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily update. Feeling a bit more refreshed today after the hectic last couple of days. So yeah, you might get a bit more out of me today, a bit more sense. So the first thing that's notable here, I saw this last night. I took the kids for a walk along the canal last night on the way back. You can see Anfield from pretty much anywhere in North Liverpool. I saw the big yellow crane was up, so I put a picture on of that what I took last night. And I thought I'd come over this morning and have a look at it. So here it is. Now this is going to be doing the next lift apparently. That's why it's here. Oh, let's get a bit higher. Have a little zoom in on it. Oh, the size of the thing is massive. Look at it. So I'll have a little look around this. So this is going to be lifting the second part of the roof out of Anfield. Let's get into slower modes. Right. The issue I've got here now, looking at it, it doesn't look though it'll reach into the ground. Does anyone know about cranes? This is a 750 ton crane. Does anyone know anything about it? Now I do know that this corner section is getting lifted from the outside. But this section here will be getting lifted from the outside. So is that just to lift that out then? Because yeah, let me come round. So you need to see where that pivot is. Is it lower or higher than the roof? No, it looks higher than the roof, doesn't it? Yeah, you know what, it could do. I don't know, guys. Any help would help me out on this one. Right, people want to have a look at the roof because loads more cladding's gone on, but with what's gone on inside the ground, we've failed to look at it. There's a guy up on a cherry picker as well. I'll have a look at him in a minute. So there's more going on here. Loads more going on there. See, I think this has been mentioned before. Well, I thought this side, this shoulder span would be the same cladding as the front spans, but it's obviously not the case. Why is that? Will it not look odd? There's people over there. Let's have a look what these are doing. Because this is yet to be. See, if you look at the main stand, it's all the same. And people have mentioned this before, but I didn't realise what they were going on about. Now I do. Now they're going to put the same cladding. Surely they can't put that solid cladding on. They're mad, aren't they? Yeah, sure they can't put the same cladding on as that side on this side because it looks odd. You're joining clear with clear, so why put a big eyesore in the middle of it? Let's get right above them. There we go. And I'll go up a picture, have a look at the roof. Ah, okay. They're putting this is for the cladding then, okay. What's it called? I'm clueless when it comes to construction. It's just some sort of like railing in it to, you know, slide the cladding into. Don't know. Oh, look how much the roof's being demolished now. I want some of it. It's only scrap. Yeah, they're cutting away down here. It's only scrap metal, but I want some. And it's not to weigh it in. Now what does someone call this? An axe torch or something? I'll get rectified probably. Right, let me. Sorry about this, guys. I'm just flying zoomed in. Try and get a better angle. Amazing bit of kit though, isn't it? The way it just cuts right through it. Like a firework display in it, look at it. Brains wages, but look at that, all that roof's nearly scrapped now. I see a skip moving out, because that one's nearly, is that one full? Yeah, that one's full. That one's almost full, so they'll be ready for getting taken out soon then. So let's move over to the cop and have a look back at the stand. See if there's anything we can see. I'm just wondering if they're going to cut this early. Because the look at it bowing in the middle there. Good job, it's got that support, keeping it up there. You think they'd start cutting this early after the palaver they had the other day? Or are they going to cut it on the day of? Well, they can't see any, and there's no cuts there at all. Oh, let's have a look at that crane from here. Yeah, no, that'll reach him, won't it? Definitely. Okay. Let's have a look what these guys are up to here. Oh, you know what? I'm just looking down from a different angle, aren't I? Because these are on the front, I didn't see them from above. Okay. Didn't see him there. Getting some fluids into him for the day. It's quite cold this morning, to be honest. It's a little bit blowy, a little bit cold. I'm surprised about this. No, they haven't started dismantling that crane yet. Okay. Why is that? Does it need to be connected to that roof still? I don't see why it should. Okay, let's have a look at the external work before I sign off. I'll come down now. Okay, that'll do me there. Oh, sorry, I must have looked this fella and cherry picker here, didn't I? Oh, what's that? Just looking above the edge to see what's go there. What's a piece getting installed there somewhere, innit? Sorry about that. Stay with them for a second to see if it's any of interest. Yeah, it's going above the heads, isn't it? I'll leave them a second. Yeah, guys, I want to thank everyone for all the new subscribers that I've had over the last few days. I've had, I don't know, a couple of thousand now. So, you know, I've gone from 6,500 to nearly 9,000 now. So I'm getting to my 10,000 mark, which I'm pleased about. I never thought I'd ever get there when I started this. So I just want to thank everyone. All the comments and likes, they're all growing. What I was surprised about, I haven't checked it since I had like 18 dislikes on me on the roof coming off. I don't know why. But yeah, that was interesting. It's the most dislikes I've ever had on a video, but it's also probably the most views I've ever had on a video as well. So maybe it's just even itself out. It's still like 98% liked, 98% like, which all the videos are. It's just the amount of dislikes it had. Yeah. The only thing I put it down to, it was quite rushed because obviously you're trying to preserve battery life, but get as much in as you can as well. And there's a lot of messing around. Oh yeah, there's brickwork going on here. There was a lot of messing around with the having to get my son to run up with fresh batteries for me. So yeah, it was a bit rushed, but yeah, just one of them. Well, the brickies are getting going on that column. Oh, there's more down here now, isn't there? On that column. Yeah, just another thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the window frames. They've been in for about over a week, I think. And there's glass in the car park for them, so yeah, they should be going in soon. Just with so much going on, you just miss stuff. And that brickwork's new there, isn't it? Okay. Right, if there's anything that anyone wants to say, I've tried covering everything. I've got some shout outs to do as well. I'll do them in the next video, guys. I'm just trying to get as much in of the build as I can at the moment. But yeah, keep the likes and comments coming, please. It's really appreciated. It's obviously getting the reach out there because there's I've gotten loads of subscribers now, and I thank all of you for that. So with that, I will say, look after yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.